All right, today we, for our team builder, are going to be making origami hearts. The learning objective is I can make an origami heart, and we are going to go about this by doing a lesson just like in the book. So I need you to get your white paper, and this first thing is like the example. So if you look in our math book, this is like, I'm gonna take you through it just like an example would take you through how to do a math problem. I'm going to take you through how to do the heart. So I want you to do this with me. Here we go. The first thing that we're going to do is fold corner to corner both ways. So I'm gonna take corner to corner and fold it, and I want you to do that too. And if you need to, just like when we do math videos, pause the video if I'm going too fast. And it says do it both ways. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to fold corner to corner the other way too. All right, step 2 is fold one corner to the center. So I'm taking this corner to the center. And step 3 is fold the other corner to the top. So I folded this one to the center, and I'm going to flip it and fold the other corner to the top. All right, now leaving your heart like this, you're going to do step 4, flip up the sides. So I'm going to flip up this side, flip up the other side. All right, and now step 5, soften the edges. These 4 edges need to be softened so it can look more like a soft little heart. Oops, see, those ones came out a little bit. Some people like to tape them down in the end. So to soften the edges, I flip it over and I just fold the edges in a little bit. Again, later, if you wanted to tape these down, you could, and it would be a nice soft edge that didn't open up. So I softened the edges, and there we have it. There is the example that you did with me of the origami heart. Okay, so now in our lesson, look back over here at the book. After we do examples together, there is like the little A, B, C, D. So after we do a main example, we do some more practice here together. So get some green paper. We're going to do another one together. All right. We're going to do the same thing we did here. Fold corner to corner both ways. So are you remembering how to do this? Fold corner to corner both ways. Each time it should get a little faster, and I want you to wrap your brain around this so you're remembering how to make these. So eventually when it gets to the reflection, you can do it on your own. Step 2 was fold one corner to the center. And the step 3 was fold the other corner to the top. All right, step 4, flip up the sides. Flip them up. Flip it up. And last step, soften the what? Soften the edges. So I'm going to turn it over and make those 4 little edges fold in a little bit. Folding them in. Folding them in. Okay, so now we have the example that we did together, then the practice that we do right after the example, and now it's time for the guided practice. So look at your direction sheet. It's going to tell you what to do for the guided practice. All right, so the guided practice heart, just like when we do guided practice in the book. So look over here in the book. When we partner up with this, you work through these problems with your partner and you look back at the examples if you need help. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take your yellow paper, you and your table partner talk together, and both of you make your yellow origami heart with the yellow paper for the guided practice. When you're done making it, you can look and you can see how I made it with this video. And if you need help, if you get stuck, you can rewind and you can watch the white or the green heart in the examples of the lesson and help yourself out so you can figure out how to do this yellow one with your table partner. Okay, so fold corner to corner, both ways. One corner goes to the center, the other corner goes to the top. You flip up the sides. And did you remember to soften the edges? If you forgot to soften the edges, go back and soften the edges right now. And I think that you and your table partner are ready for the independent practice. Wow. There's guided practice done. All right, independent practice time. All right, so you, just like in the book, when we do the independent practice, you are going to be doing the pink heart on your own. However, you're still sitting next to your table partner. So if you need to check in with your table partner about the pink origami heart, feel free to do so. Try to do it as much on your own as you can. And then when you're done, check it with the video. All right, so you fold corner to corner both ways. Then you fold one corner to the center, the other corner to the top, flip the sides up, soften the edges. Did you make sure you soften the edges? Make sure your origami heart looks like this one, and you should be ready for the reflection. All right. It is time for the reflection. I want you to do this reflection totally on your own. If you need to look back because you're stuck on something, go ahead and look back in the video to one of these other steps in this whole process. But try to treat this as a test. Do the blue origami heart on your own, just like we would do a reflection like this. One of these guys, you'd be doing this on your own and it would get checked by the teacher. All right, go ahead and do it.